If you've forgotten your ESPN Plus password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the ESPN Plus login page. Open your web browser and navigate to the ESPN Plus login page. This is where you will find the option to reset your password. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your ESPN Plus account. Make sure to input the correct email to receive the reset instructions. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from ESPN Plus. Follow the instructions in the email to proceed with resetting your password. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you click the link in the email, you will be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it before saving the changes. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your ESPN Plus account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to ESPN Plus customer support for further assistance.